In this video, you'll learn how to build a simple task manager in Notion. This is part one of a three-part beginner series where we'll build a simple system step by step. We'll create one main page called the Notion Beginner System, and inside it, we'll build 3 full-page databases. This is the system we're going to build. This system includes 3 main parts that work together. First, the Task Manager, where you can track what you need to do and manage your daily tasks. Next, Projects, where you can group your tasks into different areas so everything stays organized. And finally, Knowledge, where you can store your notes, ideas, and important information in one place. Together, this creates a simple system to help you stay organized and manage your work more effectively. We'll start with the Task Manager. Let's start by creating the Task Manager. Create a new page and name it Notion Beginner System. Inside this page, type /full page and select Database. Name this database Task Manager. The first column is your task name. I'll be adding 3 tasks. Finish project. Edit video. Plan content. As an example, now, let's add a status property. Click Add Property and select Status. There's already these options: Not Started, In Progress, and Done. Set Edit Video to In Progress. Set Plan Content to Done. Leave Finish Project as Not Started. Next, add a Due Date property. If you don't have it, click on Date and rename it to Due Date. If you already have it, you can skip this step. Then assign a date to each task. Now add one more property. Click Select and rename it to Priority. Create these options: Low, Medium, and High. Assign priority to each task. This simple setup helps you track your tasks, manage deadlines, and organize your priorities. Now you can see all your tasks in one place. You can quickly check what is not started, what is in progress, and what is already done. You can also use the due date to keep track of your deadlines. And with priority, you can focus on what's most important first. For example, you can start with high priority tasks before moving on to medium or low priority tasks. As you work on your tasks, you can update the status anytime to track your progress. Now you have a simple and clean task manager inside your Notion Beginner System. You can use this to keep track of your tasks, stay organized, and clearly see what you need to work on next. This is just the first part of the system. In the next video, we'll build your project's database so you can organize your work at a higher level and connect everything together. Then in part 3, we'll complete the system by adding your knowledge database, where you can store ideas, notes, and everything you want to remember. Click the video on screen now to continue to part 2.